So let us look at how to decorate our class with the useful charts. That is how I have divided my words. Those are the basic phonic sounds for learners, as you can see. Then from there I'll come decorate them all with the words nicely. Then from there learners will be able to. So basically I used my manila, which was color pink, the simple manila we get. Then this is my glue. You can use the office glue also. Then this is what I used, and I already wrote my words, so they all sounds words. So we'll start by putting the easy ones, and this one. So that's what I used. And yeah, and I used the cup. Since it's a circular one, I put it this side, this way, and yeah, that's how I formed a circle shape and cut using the scissors, as you can see. So again, you apply glue on the opposite side. You apply glue, after which you come and stick nicely. You stick nicely. Yeah, that way. I'll come round, decorate using luminous paper around each manila. It's half. The manila is cut into half. So that's my final product. Yeah, so that's what will happen to the rest of the charts. That's what I'll do. Yeah, and I just made my borders also circular but small circles. I used the lid of my glue. This one, the lid, the top part. That's what I used to cut the smaller circles. And yeah, that's my work.